wọlé. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your own girl as usual now. You don't understand. No, she are not aware. I don't understand this clothes. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your own girl Ashley Davis, and of course now you thought I'll start. You're watching Keeping Up with Ashley Davis. Of what now? Of Ashley Davis Empire. Like, I saw I'm sweaty. Let me share the hair first. Okay. Everything on fleek. Your hair on fleek. You classic and you're beautiful. And she's telling her is one thing that my destiny have not come to realize. Abi, to agree to any English, pick it. I look like those people that they used to put in front of soup, ever soup. So, no, take a sneak peek. No, no. Take a sneak peek. Take a sneak peek. Sit hands. Hey. Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your own girl. Wait, girl to you too. This is your own girl Ashley Davis, and of course you're watching Keeping Up with Ashley Davis. So today I'll be showing you. I don't know if I should close that second wing or not. Yo man. Wallahi, oh my friends say. Oh my friend. You know this is my grandmama. So family, today I'll be showing you how to cut your this thing, nothing, Your Fanta. Yeah. I'm not if you actually know me, you know that I'm not this type of hairstylist, but I just do it as a B, as I think they used to do it. But most time it actually used to come out well. So I actually just got this week, and I got it with my bond straight and my other ones, and the link is in the description box. Mhm. Let me see a cute marker. This is 30 inches with the coils. And I don't know if I should. This girl is fine. This girl is she's fine. What you can say. So now where is my scissors? Where is my scissors? Where is my scissors? I can't find my scissors. Where is my scissors? Fashion. So this is 30 inches bust sheet. Forget. Since I used to cut it off my head without distinction. But let me try this method. And really, I don't know, maybe it's only me thinking this thing. Why did they actually used to put frontal? Because me, if I cut it the frontal, I always cut it like almost this thing. The same. Why did they extend it? Anyway, this is how I used to cut my own. But I don't know, they used to say maybe due to before how your head looks like also. Maybe I used to cut like normal cutting. All my hair, but I cut my frontal myself. But they say there's a special way of cutting it. But me, I don't see why you can't babala. Any special anything. You can come. Yeah. She want to kilo a lingi, kako, musi sauce. Kako. So some of you go and meet stylists. I never taken my hair to the stylist before. As you can see. I look like somebody that care. I do not care. He passed that one. He passed that one. Just to cut frontal. Eh? Hehehe. Oluwa ṣàánú. And I get forehead like this. Just to cut frontal. Like, as in frontal cutting. Oh well. And I actually got this line myself. Using my toothpick. This thing was actually like really scattered. I was like, look by me. How am I gonna do this? So, you can straight it by. You allowed me to scatter it. Something that was my sister, he passed this. He passed like this. No, he passed like this. He passed like this. Eh? He passed like this. I don't give her a straight line. With toothpick. Toothpick, oh. I don't call my phone pass. You don't pass like this. So very sympathetic if you're looking at it from afar. It looks like one magic curtain. Because when I started buying hair there, I was like, hey, going to stylist and all of that. He no pause like this. He no pause like this. And then another thing you can do is I'll be plugging my iron and I'll use to like smoothing it down. Stay tuned. Down. I wake up this morning. That's so love I see. I can't sing my love song. Able to make it. Able to make it. Able to make it. Able to make it. You can sweet me for ballet. Able to make it. Able to make it. You sweet me. I wake up this morning. That's so love I see. I can't sing my love song. Everything. But like, this kid is fine. Everything. I like the lighting that comes at this side of my window. That one. Now, I used to do like, everything. Everything. I wake up this morning. That's so love I see. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. 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 Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Basically, now I don't have clothes to wear. It's very nice to wear because my home. Funny enough, this night is actually big or big, but this hair is making it look like don't understand. Don't understand. Suppose don't understand. So what I'll be doing is so this is my pillowcase. My iron is very hot now. And usually the place I used to iron my this thing, I put something on it because I'm drying it. I have a recipe I was doing. So well, don't try this at home, whatever not gel, or usually you just place it on the table. You understand? So I'm just going to be putting this one to make it look pink. Just to make it look slick. Then you do the side like this. Then the back too. As they used to say, you know that I tell them I'm not a stylist. I don't have time for all those people used to do. But they used to say eat protectant, eat protectant. The more eat protectant is water. So you just space for water on it so that it can sleek. Guys, this wig is actually very expensive, extremely expensive. I tell you how much you want. But they used to say most times people that don't care about things, that's now who their things they last part. I have a lot of wigs. Like click the link in the description box. I don't know which one I've opened. I have a lot of wigs that I just used to manhandle anyhow. Even when people come and say the way they used to take care of their wig, I'll be like, God, why do I deserve this? That's why I now knew that, oh, letting go last, OJ. Especially this hair thing. It's just like normal natural hair. Some people use conditioner, some people use shampoo. I'm not that type of person. And I don't even have that time. Last time. So, now she's going to sleep it. Remember our iron was just hot. And I removed it. If you are an African girl that used to cook very well, this is not supposed to burn your hand. Bend your head. Look at that. Can you see it? Give me a wait, okay? Let's see. So most times for my curly hair, I like to divide it into two like this. And I'll trace my nose shape to my igimu. So that's it. Do you have any questions? So after you've just used iron to press it, no matter how you do it, the line will never close again. You understand? And you can just do it when the iron is very hot to make it slip the more. But since it's wavy hair, I don't want this place to be too flat and then this place will not pop up. I don't like it, but you know, depending on preference. So be that. So family, if you love this video, as usual, make sure to click the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, bye.